Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I've kind of updated you on what's going on, and I can't really focus because there's garbage bags behind me. Yeah, as you can tell by the title of this video, we are moving. We are moving to a new apartment, which is something that we've wanted to do for quite honestly like a year, and it ended up working out perfectly. So right now we're doing some errands. We're going to the dump, just getting rid of some stuff that we were like some junk and also some garbage, some glass, some stuff like that. And today we're just gonna spend the day running errands. We have to get like boxes, Sharpies. What else do we have to get? Light bulbs, stuff like that. And honestly, it's like a couple days, just over a week before we are going to move, so it's kind of settling in and we're starting to pack. Like I said, we were wanting to move, and it actually ended up working out because our landlord, they ended up selling the house that we were staying in. So now we are getting a new apartment. My mom and I actually already went to view it. I have some footage on my phone, but I didn't actually film it for YouTube. But you guys will see it soon enough. It is a brand new apartment. It has never been lived in before. They're going to be installing an island, and I'm just really excited for it. We're both really excited for this next place. We've kind of been moved here for a year and a half. We've stayed in kind of like a basement. We've done our things, so we're excited to move on to the next part. I'm just gonna take you guys along on this journey as per usual. If you've been with me since the very first moving vlog of us moving, I love you. Thank you for being here, and I'm excited. We picked up some moving boxes, some packing paper, some garbage bags, some tape, some light bulbs, all that kind of stuff. And now that we have gotten most of the stuff that we need, we're gonna go grab some lunch at this really delicious restaurant because we're both super hungry. Okay, so we found this couch that we're looking at. Super cheap. It would have to be cleaned though, because it's dirty on the top. Like if you spill food on here, it's not going to clean off easily. But it is very comfortable. It's kind of like the perfect size too, but I don't love it. I think that I should go to the other place, see if they have one, and then if not, come back, and if they still have it, get it. That's what I'm thinking. Alright, so this is what it's looking like at the end of today. We have all of this stuff kind of sort of packed. The stuff that we don't use, some office stuff. I got my plants just like kind of ready to go. These bags and also these two bags are stuff that's going to be donated to the thrift store. So I'm gonna take that sometime soon. And then we also just have a box here, some boxes here, and then we're obviously going to do our computers probably on the last day. But we have everything off of the walls already, and we're just getting everything started. Also hoping that we can get our new couch before we move so that we can take it in the U-Haul. This couch is actually broken. It has like this huge sunken part in the middle, so we want to get a new one. So we're hoping that we can find one. That's what we were looking today. And so that we can bring the new one to the new place. But yeah, it's starting to look a lot more empty in here, isn't it? Loki, hello. Are you ready to go to the new apartment? Okay, so right now I'm just gonna pack some of my toiletry stuff. Like, we are 3 or 4 days out, so I honestly only need like my essentials, and I can pack everything else I feel like it's just kind of hitting me now, like how soon it is, and I have a lot to pack still. So yeah, I'm gonna pack some of the bathroom stuff. I don't really know. Also, this entire box is bath bombs. Just have them here. So this is already packed, but I have like a bunch of toiletries and stuff that I think I'm gonna pack in here. So let's do that. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I just have all of these empty and just the top 3. So my hair stuff, this is also hair stuff. I also got a facial steamer. I think I'm just gonna do like one more self-care night before I move. Some towels, that's literally all that's in there. I still have my everyday skincare here, which I'll pack up obviously the night before. 1 pair of lashes, everyday jewelry, packed up everything else. Just getting a box here for Kyle's stuff. And yeah, I also have to take these hooks off, and I don't know if they're gonna be like re-stickable, so yeah, I might just have to get rid of these, but I was using these for my necklaces, so I have to take these off. I'll just do that right now, I guess. Oh, it's surprisingly easy. So I kind of finished up in the bathroom, and now I'm going to start packing my clothes. I already have a suitcase of shoes, and then I have this suitcase that I'm gonna pack up with clothes, and I feel like I'm just gonna pack all of the clothes that I'm not really gonna wear until then, because there's a lot. So I'm gonna try to do as much as I can. Also, I was going to take like all the clothes that I want to sell on Poshmark and list them, but I'm thinking that I'm gonna wait until we're at the new apartment because it has way better lighting, nice bright walls, and this is not really the vibe right now. So I'm thinking if I wait until I'm in the new place, I can just like hang them all up and bang it all out in one go. So I'm gonna wait, and I'm just gonna pack everything and bring it with me, and I really just feel like I need to tackle this closet. Also, if you guys have seen the vlog where I got my puppy, he is almost a year old now. Loki, say hi to the camera. Say hi. He is almost a year old now, and I can't believe how big he is. He used to be like the size of my hands. But yes, he has no idea that soon we'll be in a new apartment. Okay, so this is now what the closet looks like. I just have like a couple clothes that I'm gonna wear throughout the day. I know it's like a lot, but this is just what I'm keeping up for now. I have this bag started for extra clothes. I need to wash these clothes and then I'll pack them up. I have extra socks there. Kyle still has to pack all of his clothes up, but he doesn't have a lot, to be honest. This is everything that I've packed so far, so it's actually looking pretty good. But like obviously we still have the rug, we still have to clean in here. We have the side tables, we have the rest of the clothes and all of that, but this is a good progress. It's Monday today. It's 9:52 in the morning, and we are leaving on Wednesday morning. So not today, but tomorrow is our last day in our place, and then we are moving to our brand new apartment. I'm getting so excited, and the living room is just full of stuff, so I'm like, it's getting real for me. I have to do a bunch of errands today, as well as some work for the week, like set up everything so that I'm good to just like chill for the week, and get all my moving and organizing done. Also, I forgot to say, I have to pick up more boxes today, like small ones, because we actually don't have enough. But I packed up all my plants. I'm just starting to like get them together. So these are my like bigger ones, but I still have my money tree in the office. These little guys here that are just like sitting by the sun right now, another pot. And then I have some over there. And then my avocado trees as well, which I need to pack up. And then this is like one of the little baby avocados. Let me know in the comments below if you want to like me to make a video or talk about how I make avocado trees, like the process. It's pretty easy. I can make a video on that.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2.
Do I need a mattress bag? Like, is this something I should be buying? I feel like it is.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Okay guys, so it's the night before we move. It is, what time is it? I have literally been cleaning all day. It's 8:30. We have been cleaning and organizing, and we have like everything completely ready. I just finished. Kitchen is all clean. Mopped the floors. Everything is done. I got my eyebrows laminated today. They're like super shiny right now. But anyway, we are moving. We have picking up the U-Haul at 5:30 in the morning. So we have to get up at like 4:30. Pack my car, go get the U-Haul, come here, pack the whole U-Haul up. I'm so tired from cleaning. I feel like it's gonna be crazy, like having to unpack everything. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow for the official moving day. Guys, look how pretty this tree is. Oh my gosh, and the sky. So we got the U-Haul. This is what it is looking like so far. We still have a lot to bring in. And we ordered a trolley from them, but they didn't give it to us. So we have to carry like one or a couple boxes at a time, which is super, super tiring. So I don't know what happened, if they just like, why they didn't give us the trolley. Basically, we have 20 minutes to bring everything in. I don't know if we can do it, y'all. I have to leave to drop Loki off at my friend's house so that we can go meet the lady and get our keys and stuff. And we don't have everything, so Kyle's gonna grab as much as he can, but we're probably likely gonna have to come back, but that's fine because I have to come back for the groceries anyway. But I'm running late to meet the lady at like 7:30 and it's 7:27, so I hope that Kyle makes it in time. Kyle's calling me. Hello?
Do you have any idea where I park?
You go in like that front main part. Oh my god. Look what just happened. I'm not fucking joking. Everything fell and broke. My knee is fine. Oh my god, my crystals, not the crystals. No. Oh my god, my two favorite pots broke. That's really depressing. What am I supposed to do about all this glass? Oh my gosh. Okay guys, we are officially in my new apartment. I am gonna give you guys the grand tour right now before we move everything in. Empty apartment tour, so let's get started. First off, you have the whole door right here, little entryway, and then you go right over here. And we have this little nook area, so I really like that we have these hooks here for a leash and clothes, jackets, storage up here, and then also some shoe storage here. If you can sit, I can tie my shoes, that's just really nice. And then back here we have a storage closet. This is it. And in here we have storage for like towels and stuff. And then we have two brand new, never used before laundry machines, so that's really, really nice. Then moving over here, we have the den, so it has this really nice barn door look. And this is the den. Doesn't have any windows, but this room is actually pretty big. Like, this is a very decent sized room. So we're gonna have our offices in here, but I'm probably gonna end up moving to living room, but that is the den. And then moving over here, we have the kitchen. And guys, when I viewed this place, they didn't have the island and they were like installing them. And she was like, it might be installed by the time you come. And I hoped and I manifested it that it would. And the island is freaking here. It is this gorgeous marble and then light wood color. And then we've got all of this extra storage here. I have literally wanted a kitchen island for so long. Like, that is all I wanted in my next apartment. So I cannot believe that I'm here with the kitchen island. It's like, look at this kitchen. You're literally joking. Like, you guys, this is like my dream kitchen. So here's a better look of the kitchen. It is absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed with it. Like I said, we have the nice island, and then we have this fridge. None of these appliances have ever been used. They're all brand new. And I actually don't know if I have an ice machine, so I wanted to find that out. I think we do. Perfect. I really love that this has so much storage too, and I also really like this, and I really want to put like my wine glasses on display here. I think it's really nice, but just, yeah, like so much more storage than my other one. Also, I'm obsessed with this sink, like just a nice big sink. And also, let me mention, if you guys have noticed, all of the like handles and appliances and everything are all matte black, which I really, really like. So yeah, this is just stunning. I mean, this has never been used. It's brand new. Same with the microwave. And yeah, I'm just obsessed with this kitchen. Moving on, this is the living room. So I think we're gonna have our couch here, or we're gonna have it like here and then have our TV up there. We haven't decided yet. Or we might put our TV up here. I'm leaning towards that, but we'll see. We have two big windows facing the main street, and I'm obsessed with these windows. They have built-in windowsills, which is super nice for my plants. And then we've got these blacked out. And then these shades are actually like the blackout shades. So like if you want to, it'll just be like completely dark in here. I mean, the lighting is amazing already. So I just love having this huge window and this great lighting. Like, I can't. And then over here, we've got the balcony. I don't specifically know how to open this, but here is our balcony. We'll go out there later. Cute little balcony. I'm excited to put some patio chairs out there. And then we'll go into the bedroom. So the bedroom is smaller, I think, than the den, but it's still a pretty good size. And again, we've got one more of these windows. This one goes straight out to the balcony. We have this open window right here. Again, we have the blackout blinds, so that's really nice. And then if you come over here, we have the two closets. So we have this one space, and then you come over and it's a walk-in closet on this side. So that is just super, super nice. I can't wait to like organize all of this and everything. And then it walks right through to the ensuite bathroom, which is the only bathroom. And you guys, I'm obsessed with this bathroom. It has this skincare shelf already in there, which is just so nice. And we have the matte black appliances again, towel holder, bathroom holder, super nice storage. I can't wait. And then same for the shower. We've got matte black everything, and I ordered like a matte black shower caddy to like stick on the wall. So yeah, that is the bathroom. Alright guys, so I have finished moving my stuff into my new apartment, but I'm gonna end this vlog here, and you guys can stay tuned and subscribe for the next moving vlog. I'm so excited for this journey and for you guys to be here with me. So make sure you stay tuned for the next one, because it'll be up very soon, so you can see my whole moving in process, unpacking, organizing, decor, all that fun stuff. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!